tanong na who am I ay isa sa pinakamalalim na tanong na maaaring itanong ng isang tao sa sarili. Hindi lamang ito sa pangalan, trabaho, status, edad, or kung ano ang tingin ng ibang tao sa atin. It is a question about identity, purpose, consciousness, and the soul. Who am I? A spiritual meaning. Kapag tinanong mo ang sarili mo ng who am I, parang inaanyayahan mo ang sarili mong tumigil sandali sa ingay ng mundo at makinig sa loob. Hindi ka lamang iyong mga bagay na mayroon ka. Hindi ka lamang iyong mga pagkakamali. Hindi ka lamang iyong past. Hindi ka rin lamang ang approval o rejection ng ibang tao. You are the awareness that experiences all these things. May mga panahon na masaya ka, may panahon na malungkot. Nagbabago ang iyong katawan, trabaho, relationships, opinions at dreams. Pero may isang bahagi sa iyo na patuloy na nakakakita, nakakaranas, natututo at naghahanap ng kahulugan. Dito nagiging spiritual ang tanong, who am I beneath everything that I have been told I should be? Hindi ano mayroon ako, kundi sino ako. Minsan tinuturuan tayo ng mundo na kilalanin ang sarili ayon sa achievements. I am successful because I have money. I am important because people admire me. I am beautiful because people find me attractive. I am worthy because someone loves me. Pero ang spiritual journey ay unti-unting nagtuturo. Your worth is deeper than your achievements. Kapag nawala ang title, ang possessions, ang beauty, ang recognition, at social status, sino ka pa rin? That is where the real journey begins. Who am I as a journey of awakening? Ang tanong na ito ay hindi laging kailangan sagutin ng isang sentence. Sometimes, you leave the answer. Habang natututo kang maging compassionate, honest, peaceful, courageous, humble, and loving, unti-unti mong nakikilala kung sino ka talaga. At marahil ang tunay na sagot ay hindi, I am this, kundi I am becoming. You are a human continuously becoming wiser, deeper, kinder, and more conscious. At sa spiritual level, maaari mong itanong, who am I when nobody is watching? Who am I when I have nothing to prove? Who am I beyond my fears? Who am I beyond my past? Who am I when I am completely at peace? The deeper you go, the less you define yourself by external things. You begin to realize, hindi ko kailangan maging lahat para maging worthy. Hindi ko kailangan patunayan ang sarili ko sa lahat. Hindi ko kailangang malaman agad ang buong purpose ng buhay ko. I can simply be present, learn, love, grow, and live truthfully. The beautiful answer, perhaps one of the most beautiful spiritual meanings of who I am, is this. You are not here merely to discover a fixed identity. You are here to discover the deepest truth of your being and to become the most authentic, loving, conscious version of yourself. At habang nakikilala mo ang sarili mo, mas naiintindihan mo rin ang ibang tao. Who am I? It's not just a question about identity. It is an invitation to come home to yourself. And sometimes the greatest spiritual awakening begins when you stop asking, how can I become someone important? And start asking, how can I become more truly myself? Ang ganda. Have your own research about who am I?